In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create letter photo collages in Canva. If you've never tried this before, don't worry. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place photos inside bold, alphabet-shaped frames to make eye-catching titles, monograms, or social posts. Have a design open in Canva, any size you like, so you can follow along. To begin, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click Elements. This is Canva's library for shapes, graphics, and special containers, and it's where the alphabet frames live. Using the search bar at the top of the Elements panel, type letter frame. That phrase tells Canva you want frames that are shaped like letters, not just regular rectangles or decorative fonts. After the results load, make sure you're viewing the frames results, which filter the search to items that can hold images. Clicking into frames keeps things tidy and ensures you're working with the versions designed to snap photos right inside. Now pick the letter you want to use and drag it onto your canvas. You'll see a hollow letter with a faint pattern. That pattern means it's a frame, ready to be filled. Position it where you want your collage to live, and resize it by dragging from any corner handle. Bigger letters create more room for your photo, so scale it up until it feels balanced with the rest of your design. Next, move to the Uploads tab on the left sidebar. This is where your own images live inside Canva. Any photos you've already added to your account will appear in the gallery here, ready to use in your designs. With your image visible in Uploads, click and drag it over the letter frame on the canvas. When you hover directly above the letter, you'll notice a subtle highlight. Release the mouse, and the image will snap into the shape instantly. If the subject isn't centered the way you like, adjust the letter's size or placement on the page until the composition feels right. You can also fine-tune by choosing a photo with a focal point that naturally fits the contours of the letter you picked. That's all it takes to create a clean letter photo collage in Canva. Repeat the same process for additional letters if you want to spell a word, or stick with a single initial for a minimal, modern look. Once you're happy with the layout, you've got a polished, personal graphic ready for any post, print, or presentation.